Hi, Sarah. How's your day going?
Hello, Mr. Thompson. It's been pretty good, thank you. I've been catching up on some reading.
That's great to hear, Sarah. Reading is an excellent way to expand your vocabulary. Today, let's explore some advanced language skills. We'll start with new vocabulary.
I'm ready, Mr. Thompson. What words are we learning today?
Our first word is myriad, which means a countless or extremely large number. For example, there are myriad opportunities for career advancement in this field. Next, we have aplomb, referring to self-confidence or assurance, especially in demanding situations. Like, she handled the difficult questions with aplomb during the interview.
I see, Mr. Thompson. Myriad and aplomb. I'll remember those.
Excellent, Sarah. Now, let's move on to some useful phrases. Bide one's time means to wait patiently for the right moment to act. For instance, she decided to bide her time and wait for the perfect opportunity to present itself. And off the beaten path refers to a less traveled or unconventional route. Like, we took a hike off the beaten path and discovered some hidden waterfalls.
I understand, Mr. Thompson. Bide one's time and off the beaten path.
You're doing well, Sarah. Let's explore idioms. Jump the gun means to act prematurely or before the appropriate time. For example, he jumped the gun by announcing his resignation before discussing it with his supervisor. And hit the nail on the head means to describe or identify something exactly right. Like, her analysis of the problem hit the nail on the head.
I've heard of those idioms, Mr. Thompson. Jump the gun and hit the nail on the head.
Great job, Sarah. Now, let's delve into phrasal verbs. Brush up on means to refresh or improve one's knowledge of something. For instance, I need to brush up on my Spanish before the trip to Mexico. And come up with means to produce or create something, especially an idea or plan. Like, she came up with a brilliant solution to the problem.
I understand, Mr. Thompson. Brush up on and come up with.
Wonderful. Now, let's discuss some slang. Lit is a slang term describing something as exciting, excellent, or amazing. For example, the party last night was lit. And clutch is a slang term meaning reliable or effective in a crucial situation. Like, her quick thinking was clutch during the presentation.
Lit and clutch, Mr. Thompson. Got it.
Great. Now, let's focus on the present perfect continuous tense. It's used to emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues into the present or has just stopped. For example, I have been studying English for 2 hours. Here, have been studying emphasizes the ongoing nature of the action.
So, it's like talking about an action that started in the past and is still happening now?
Exactly, Sarah. You've got it. Remember to use have been plus the present participle of the verb.
I'll practice using the present perfect continuous tense, Mr. Thompson.
That's the spirit. And don't forget to incorporate the vocabulary, phrases, idioms, and phrasal verbs we've learned today into your conversations and writing.
I won't forget, Mr. Thompson. Thanks for the lesson.
You're very welcome, Sarah. Keep up the excellent work, and your English will continue to improve. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.